come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, this time I want to talk about credit cards and debit cards. Warranty and purchase protection of the credit card. Some credit cards also may provide additional warranties or insurance on purchase items that go beyond those that the retailer or brand is offering. For example, if an item bought with a credit card becomes defective after the manufacturer warranty does expire, it is worth checking with the credit card company to see if it will provide coverage, or you might have purchase and price protection built in to help you either replace items that are stolen out of stock or lost, or refund price difference when the item that you purchase is sold elsewhere for less. Next, fraud protection. In most cases, credit cards offer much greater fraud protection than debit cards, as long as the customer reports the loss or theft in a timely manner. The maximum liability for purchase made after the card. The electronic fund transfer gives debit card customer some protection from loss or theft, but only if the customer report in within. Next, other credit card items. The file credit billing allows credit card used to dispute unknown stories, purchase of goods that are damaged or lost during shipping. If the item was bought with a debit card, then the charge cannot be reversed unless the merchant is willing to do so. What's more, debit cards, the victim do not get their refunds until an investigation has been complete. The credit card holders, on the other hand, is not responsible for the dispute change. The amount is usually deducted immediately and restored only if the dispute is withdrawn or still in the merchant's favor. So some credit cards, debit cards providers offer zero liability protection to their consumer. The law is much more forgiving for credit card holders. If you need to rent a car, many credit cards provide some sort of waiver for collisions. Even if you want to use a debit card, many car rental agencies require customers to provide credit card information as a backup. The only way out for a consumer might be allowing the rental agency to put a hold of perhaps a few $100 on a bank account. Debit card is a form of security deposit. Cons of using credit card. The main drawbacks of using credit cards involve debit credit score impasse and cost. Spending on that debit. When you make purchase with a credit card, you are spending the bank's money, not your own. This money has to be repaid with interest at the very least. You are required to make the minimum payment due as month, racking up the high balance on people cards or make it difficult to keep with monthly payments and menasan your budget. Next, what is debit card? A debit card is a payment card that makes payments by deducting money directly from a consumer's checking account rather than a loan from a bank. Debit cards offer the convenience of credit cards and money on some consumer. Protection when issued by major payment processors such as Visa or MasterCard. There are two types of debit cards that do not require the consumer to have a checking or saving account, as well as one standard type. Standard debit cards draw on your bank account. Electronic benefit standard cards are issued by state and federal banks to allow qualifying users to use their benefit to make purchases. Prepare debit card give people without access to a bank account a way to make electronic purchase up to the amount that was preloaded onto the card. Frugal consumer may prefer to use debit card because there are usually few or no associated fees unless users spend more than they have in their account. Any insurance and overdraft fee. By contrast, credit cards generally charge annual fees, overlimit fees, late payment fees, and a plethora of their penalties in addition to monthly interest on the card outstanding balance. Okay guys, this is first discussion about credit card. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you next time.